The Clarence, an exquisitely designed shipping container home, is an eco-friendly masterpiece of steel, concrete, glass, and wood located in a beautiful north-facing parkland. The combination of industrial raw materials combined with nature makes this space something completely unforgettable. The setting of the house is remote and serene, a quiet refuge from everything, free from distractions, and runs exclusively on solar power. The property has the main house, which has a big, beautiful deck overlooking the river, a studio, and a bell tent set up with 2 queen beds. The main house, open plan accentuated by expansive glass windows, invites seamlessly indoor and outdoor living. The open floor features a cozy lounge area fitted with a large chic couch, a unique coffee table, a comfy lounge chair with a footrest, a crackling wood burner, and large windows that provide breathtaking views of the surroundings, increasing your sense of connection to nature. The glass doors in the living room fold open to the side of the living area to spill onto the deck for alfresco dining and lounging, making the space appear larger. From the lounge area is a spacious dining that can seat 6 or 8 depending on configuration. Next to the dining area is a sleek modern kitchen that has stainless steel appliances, modern cabinetry, and enough working counter space. A sliding barn door from the open plan living area leads to the master bedroom. The roomy master bedroom is furnished with a comfortable king bed with luxurious linen, making you feel like you are staying in a hotel. The home is served by a beautifully tiled bathroom fitted with a composting toilet, a shower, and a modern wash hand basin. Adjoining the main house is a well-lit studio that features a comfy queen bed and an appealing day bed with large windows and doors, providing a beautiful place to lie as you gaze at the view while basking in some winter sunshine. In each unit, the color palette for the interior is bright and white, making the spaces appear bigger. Numerous high-performance windows are used throughout the house to allow for optimal cross-ventilation and daylighting. Uniquely tailored for leisure and entertainment, this extraordinary compound offers an array of outdoor features. A large deck with comfortable seating along with a barbecue and large solid European oak table. The outdoor fire pit is surrounded by rustic seating, which enhances a cozy stay on a warm summer night. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, celebrating the industrial vibe of the design. This beautiful homes offers an impeccable stay on Airbnb. Feel free to check them out using the link in the description below. If you like this kind of videos or shipping container homes, don't mind giving this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. By doing so, you'll be helping our YouTube channel to reach as many as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.